In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for Agile management using a real board example, so you can see exactly how an Agile workflow is structured and managed inside Trello. If you want a simple, visual way to run sprints, track progress, and keep your team aligned, this is going to be perfect for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials. All right, let's dive in. So here, we're looking at an Agile board in Trello. At the top level, Trello works with boards, lists, and cards. In this example, the board is called Agile, and inside it we have multiple lists that represent stages of work. The lists include Next Up, Current Sprint, In Progress, On Hold, Questions, and Done. This structure mirrors a typical Agile workflow. Let's start with Next Up. This is your backlog refinement area. You can see cards like Data Analytics Podcast, PR Firm Outreach, List of vendors for banquets, and Google AdWords best practices. These are tasks that are ready but not yet committed to a sprint. During sprint planning, you simply drag selected cards from Next Up into Current Sprint. Now let's look at Current Sprint. This is where committed work lives. For example, we have cards like Going Live with Server Deployment, Q3 Webinar Content Planning, IT Solutions Page, and Email Campaign February. These are the tasks the team has agreed to complete in this sprint cycle. You'll also notice some cards have labels like Government, Planning, or Demand Marketing. Labels in Trello are extremely powerful for Agile teams because they let you categorize work by department, initiative, or priority. When a team member starts working on a task, you drag the card from Current Sprint into In Progress. In our example, cards like Android App New Landing Page, Analytics, and Branding Guidelines are in progress. This gives everyone instant visibility into what's actively being worked on. You can click into any card to add descriptions, checklists, attachments, due dates, and assign members. For example, some cards include attachments like design images, which keeps all assets centralized inside the task. If something gets blocked, you move it into On Hold. Here we see tasks like CSS rules, retail order, mobile UI reboot, and Google Analytics data Q1. Instead of losing track of blocked tasks, this list makes bottlenecks visible. During daily stand-ups, you can quickly review this column to identify what's preventing progress. There's also a questions list. This is great for Agile teams because questions often slow down execution. Instead of scattering them across chats or emails, you create cards like, How do you adjust the canvas size in Illustrator? Or, Does Screen Hero have a trial period? Keeping questions visible ensures they get addressed before the next sprint planning session. Finally, we have Done. This is where completed sprint work lives. Cards like Review Tech Partner Pages, Top 10 Trends List for Forbes, and Lead Gen Mandrill Stats are already completed. Moving cards into Done gives your team a sense of progress and makes sprint reviews much easier. Now let's talk about how to actually manage this day to day. During sprint planning, pull prioritized cards from Next Up into Current Sprint. During daily stand-ups, review In Progress and On Hold. Encourage team members to update their cards with comments and checklist progress. As soon as work is finished, drag the card to Done. At the end of the sprint, review everything in Done, archive completed cards, and repeat the cycle. You can also enhance this setup using due dates for time boxing, members for accountability, and checklists for breaking large tasks into smaller subtasks. This keeps your Agile process lightweight but structured. The beauty of Trello for Agile management is its simplicity. You don't need complex software to run effective sprints. With clearly defined lists, consistent movement of cards, and regular sprint rituals, you get transparency, accountability, and momentum. And that's how you use Trello for Agile management step by step using a real board example. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.